Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can write essays, code websites, and have conversations that feel almost human? It seems like magic, but the truth is simpler and way more interesting than you think. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how ChatGPT works in plain English. No computer science degree required. Let's dive in. First, let's clear up what ChatGPT actually is. It's a large language model, basically a massive pattern-matching machine trained on billions of words from books, websites, and conversations. Think of it like this. If you read every book in a library, you'd start to notice patterns. How sentences are built, which words usually follow others, how stories flow. ChatGPT does the same thing, but at a scale no human could ever match. It doesn't think or understand in the way we do. It's predicting the most likely next word, then the next, based on everything it's learned. So how does it learn? Training happens in two main phases. Phase 1, pre-training. ChatGPT is fed massive amounts of text data and learns to predict missing words. For example, if you give it "the sky is blank," it learns that blue is a common answer. Phase 2, fine-tuning. Human trainers grade ChatGPT's responses, marking good answers as helpful and bad ones as off-track. Over time, it learns what humans actually want: clear, accurate, conversational answers. This is called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF for short. It's why ChatGPT sounds more helpful than just a random word generator. When you type a question, here's what happens behind the scenes. Your prompt is broken into tiny pieces called tokens. Think of them like puzzle pieces of words. ChatGPT looks at these tokens, checks all the patterns it's learned, and starts predicting the best response, one token at a time. It doesn't have a database of facts it's looking up. It's generating text based on probability. That's why it can sometimes sound confident but be totally wrong. It's optimized for sounding human, not always being accurate. Also, ChatGPT doesn't remember your past conversations unless you're in the same chat session. Each new chat starts fresh. No memory, no context outside what you just told it. Now, ChatGPT is impressive, but it has real limits. 1. It's only as good as its training data. If it was trained on outdated or biased information, that shows up in its answers. 2. It can't browse the internet in real time unless it's specifically built to do so, like some newer versions with plugins. 3. It hallucinates. That's the technical term for when it confidently invents facts that sound real but aren't. Always double-check important info. And 4. It doesn't understand your question the way a human does. It's pattern matching, not reasoning. So there you have it. ChatGPT is a massive pattern recognition engine trained on human language, fine-tuned to be helpful, and constantly predicting the next word based on what it's learned. It's not magic. It's math, data, and smart engineering. And understanding how it works helps you use it better and know when to trust it and when not to. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me what tech topic to explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.